You want to make extra money in 2025? Let's be real. Your 9 to 5 might be paying the bills, but is it building wealth? With everything getting more expensive, having just one income stream is risky. That's why I'm about to show you the top 5 side hustles that can bring in serious cash this year. No gimmicks, no fluff, just real ways to boost your income in 2025. Before we dive in, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to FunVista for more smart money tips. Now, let's get to it. First up, freelancing. If you have a skill, you can make money online. I'm talking about writing, graphic design, video editing, coding, or even virtual assistants. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and TopTal connect you with clients who will pay top dollar for your services. Think about it. Businesses need content, marketing, and tech support constantly. If you can solve their problems, you can charge $30, $50, even $100 an hour depending on your expertise. And the best part? You can do it on your own time. Not sure where to start? Pick something you're already good at, create a profile, and start offering your services. Within a few months, you could be making thousands on the side. Now, if you want to make money without stocking products, print on demand is the way to go. Platforms like Printify, Teespring, and Redbubble let you create custom designs and sell them on t-shirts, mugs, and even phone cases. You don't have to worry about inventory or shipping. Just upload your designs. And when someone buys, the platform prints and ships it for you. The key here is niche targeting. Think funny slogans, trending memes, or motivational quotes. Some sellers are making $5,000 to $10,000 a month just by selling viral designs. So if you've got a creative side, this could be a game changer. Here's one most people overlook: starting a local service business. You don't need a fancy degree or a huge budget. Some of the most profitable side hustles in America right now are things like mobile car detailing, lawn care pressure washing, pet sitting, or dog walking. People are busy and willing to pay for convenience. You can start with minimal equipment, market yourself on Facebook, Marketplace, Nextdoor, and Craigslist, and get customers fast. A part-time pressure washing business, for example, can pull in $100 to $300 per job. If you book just 5 jobs a week, that's an extra $2,000 a month. Not bad for a weekend hustle, right? This one is huge right now: affiliate marketing. You don't need to own a product, you just promote other people's stuff and earn a commission. Websites like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale let you recommend products and get paid every time someone buys through your link. Here's the smart way to do it: start a blog, YouTube channel, or TikTok page around a niche you love. Fitness, tech gadgets, personal finance, you name it. Talk about products, review them, and drop your affiliate link. Some affiliate marketers are making 6 figures a year just from commissions. If you're consistent, this can turn into passive income that pays you even when you sleep. This last one is all about making money from what you already have. Got a spare room? Rent it out on Airbnb. Have a car? List it on Turo, and let people rent it while you're not using it. If you own camera gear, tools, or even a parking space, you can rent those out too. Platforms like Fat Llama and Neighbor help you turn your unused stuff into a money-making machine. For example, renting out a car on Turo can bring in $500 to $1,500 a month, depending on the model. A storage space can earn you $50 to $200 a month with almost zero effort. This is truly passive income. And in 2025, maximizing your assets is one of the smartest financial moves you can make. And there you have it: the top 5 side hustles to help you earn extra cash in 2025. Whether you want to work online, start a small business, or make passive income, there's a hustle for everyone. Which one are you going to try first? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear what you think. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a money-making tip from FunVista. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.